Hi Shamin, thanks very much for the question. I hope I pronounced your name correctly. Basically you've sent us an email in with regards to your Beko cooker, and you have model number BIF16100X single oven. And you just basically sent me a quick message in to say the light comes on, grill works fine, fan comes on, no heat at all. I presume you're talking about the fan oven. Now the fan oven has got a metal plate at the back, and this exposes the fan oven element. You'll need to test the element. Now what I've done for you is I've created a web page for you, and I'll put the link in the description on this video. And this web page will not only have all the spare parts for this cooker, it's also got the workshop manual and the wiring diagram as well, which will assist you no end. And I've also put relevant videos for this type of Beko oven on how to replace any major component on the oven. I've done a lot of videos on these Beko ovens recently, videos like how to change the base element, the grill element, the fan oven element, thermostats, selector switch, and many other videos as well. And the workshop manual is very comprehensive. It's over 87 pages, and it will show you how to diagnose problems with the cooker, and also show you how the whole thing comes apart if you need to replace anything. There are also exploded diagrams at the bottom of the page, and these exploded diagrams have reference numbers on them, and if you match them up to the full list of spare parts at the bottom of the page, you'll be able to get the correct fan oven element for your cooker. I hope all this helps you. It's just before the Christmas period at the moment, so you do need to be quick to order your part to be able to get it before Christmas. Otherwise it will be in the new year, I'm sorry. Hope all this information helps you. Good luck with your repair.